Alright,
Maybe
tell me when you're ready. Give me 2 seconds before.
Okay. Okay, you're right. Bring the water up here, just in case. Okay.
I think he's got this thing. He's chewing it. That's the... Where's the cloud?
Did you really do that?
Ew.
He cheated.
How did you cheat?
Go ahead, make my day. I did it.
That's it.